Hi everyone, I'm Colleen and this is Nate. We're Navigate with Colleen and Nate, where we share our travel adventures. We are a couple who love to travel, explore new places, and have fun along the way. Join us as we show you the best spots, where to eat, and tips and tricks for your next vacation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to navigate your world.
Hey everyone, Nate and Colleen here, and welcome back to the channel. As we mentioned in our last video, we're on a family trip for Thanksgiving, and today we're in St. Maarten, which is a new island for us.
You might be wondering why we're doing a voiceover today. Well, sometimes life throws us a curveball. We ran into a bit of a technical glitch with our mics, but we couldn't miss the opportunity to show you the accessible water taxis in St. Maarten. This is a game changer for wheelchair users exploring the island, and we wanted to share this experience with you firsthand.
Before we dive into our St. Maarten adventure, let's talk about one of the favorite features on the Edge-class ships. The destination gateway. This special area on deck 2 makes disembarking a breeze, especially for wheelchair users. With plenty of space and helpful crew members, getting on and off the ship is a smooth process. We are off the ship and we are moving. Today we are in port with, what's this, the Mein Schiff?
Mein Schiff, yes.
Mein Schiff, which is German for my ship. This is the Mein Schiff 2. Lovely though, it's a lovely day. You have to love, we're here in November. So temperature is perfect today, I would say. Oh, what do you think, Colleen? 76?
Oh, it feels warmer than that, 82.
82. That's the official forecast from forecaster Colleen.
The port area in St. Maarten is pretty typical of the Caribbean with a long pier. However, one thing that stood out to us was the lack of official transportation from the ship to the main port area. While we did see some golf carts later in the day, it seemed more like a casual arrangement rather than a dedicated service, but that view is fantastic. The main port area offers the usual duty-free shops and bars, perfect for a pre- or post-excursion bite or drink.
All right, let's talk about the water taxi. A quick tip, they only accept US dollars, so make sure you have some cash on hand. At the time of filming, the all-day pass was $7. Once you pay, you get a wristband to show that you've paid your fare. With our tickets in hand, we took a short 5-minute walk to the water taxi dock.
Boarding the water taxi was a breeze thanks to the friendly crew. They easily accommodated me, and it looked like they had a ramp for larger wheelchairs or those who might need extra assistance. The water taxi ride to the main town area in St. Maarten takes about 10 minutes. Enjoy the 360 camera footage.
The water taxi drops you off at a small pier in the heart of the main beach and shopping area. You'll find plenty of chairs and umbrellas for rent, as well as a variety of restaurants and bars. While we did notice some modifications like makeshift ramps, getting into some places might be a challenge for wheelchair users. Overall, the beachfront is easy to navigate in a wheelchair or walker.
We wandered a block off the beach to check out some shops and souvenir stores. After a quick search in the first store, found the perfect Christmas ornament in the next one. Navigating this part of town was a bit more challenging due to uneven pavement and cars parked on the sidewalks. Recommend having a companion to help you, especially if you're in a wheelchair.
After exploring the shops and navigating the uneven sidewalks, we headed back to the waterfront. The water taxi's convenient drop-off and pick-up points at the main beach make it easy to explore without backtracking. Now that our mics are working, let's share our overall thoughts of the port. What do you think of St. Maarten?
It's very beautiful. It's just, like most islands, it's a little bit hard to get around, but everyone's really friendly and the water's stunning. I love it. I mean, it's great. If we can come back, I would. I think I have other maybe favorite islands that have a little bit more accessibility, so I lean towards those, but overall great.
I think that's going to do it for us today. Again, St. Maarten, it's great. It's great when you come out here and have a beach day. It's really nice. You can also, tons of taxis. You can go see the airplanes land on, what is it called, Maho Beach. Yeah,
Maho Beach, yeah.
Maho Beach. But it is hotter than heck. The AC, we went to some of these shops. Usually when you go in the Caribbean, you go in a shop like Diamonds International, I'll have to take back my pro tip. It was cool, but they did not have the AC cranking. So definitely not like some other islands where when you go in, get a little AC, it is definitely, they are light on the AC. But again, if you want to come out here and have a great beach day, I would definitely do it. We learned that not all water taxis are created equal, and some might not be accessible. Luckily, we only had to wait about 15 minutes for an accessible one to arrive. However, it's important to keep this in mind, especially if you're on a tight schedule to get back to the ship.
We eventually made it back on board the ship. We also learned that the water taxi has a third stop in another part of the port, outside of the main town area, where you can find more shops and restaurants. Thanks for watching, and as you can see, our mics are finally working.
All right, everyone, that's gonna do it from us. We might have to do this twice because the music's pretty loud here. But great day in St. Martin, hotter than heck. I think we're gonna head back to the ship though, get a little AC, get a little lunch, and that's it. But other than that, it was a great day. Water taxi, yes?
Water taxi, highly recommend, and they were very good with my mother. So if you do have someone that has mobility but maybe needs a little bit of assistance, they were very sweet and joked around and kind of helped her get down the steps. So highly recommend the water taxi.
Absolutely, very nice gentleman here. That's gonna do it for us from St. Martin. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Until next time, remember to navigate your world.